Hello, this is Michael from Boomi. In today's video, we'll be doing a quick walkthrough on how to troubleshoot and resolve the mandatory element missing error in your container logs. Let's get started. Here's what we'll be covering today. First, we'll understand the error and its context. Next, we'll locate the problematic data element in the EDI profile. Then, we'll walk through how to adjust the EDI profile. And finally, we'll test the configuration to confirm the issue is resolved. Step 1 is to understand the error. Here we see an example container log with the error message, mandatory element missing. It tells us that a mandatory data element is missing in the profile, specifically at header N9 and 907.1. Our goal in this step is to identify where the data element resides in the associated EDI profile so we can resolve the issue. Step 2 is to locate the data element. Start by navigating to the Build tab and opening the EDI profile used in your process. If you're unsure which profile the error is referring to, you might need to review multiple profiles, one by one. For this video, however, we've already identified the EDI profile in question and have it opened. Next, use the profile location from the logs to drill down into the data elements. Expand the segments step by step until you find the exact path. In this case, it's under header N9 and 907. Notice that the mandatory checkbox is enabled for this field. This is what's causing the validation error. Now let's adjust the EDI profile to resolve the issue. If this field, N907, is not genuinely required or mandatory for your process, uncheck the mandatory option. Once the change is made, be sure to save the profile. Step 4 is to test your configuration. Deploy the updated process to a test environment and run a test document through it. Check the container log to ensure that the mandatory element missing error is no longer appearing. If the test passes without any errors, you're ready to deploy the process to production. And that's it. You've successfully resolved the mandatory element missing error. Thank you for joining me for this quick troubleshooting walkthrough.